Recently, the DOTR issued a directive prohibiting unvaccinated individuals from taking public utility vehicles like buses, taxis, jeepneys, boats, and commercial planes to and from Metro Manila if they are not vaccinated. And sabi ng DOTR, ang isang taong unvaccinated, merong rights, but it also has limits. And ang theory nila, this is one school of thought, the government, the state, through the exercise of its police power, can limit the right of a person invoking public health or the general welfare clause. And meron naman tayong provision doon sa ating konstitusyon na the state may interfere with personal liberty to promote the general welfare as long as the interference is reasonable and not arbitrary. Ito yung tinatawag nga nating police power. And as early as 1905, meron na tayong Supreme Court decision na nire-recognize ang power of government to exercise police power in order that it can ensure public health. In 1922, although this is American jurisprudence, nung isang kaso doon na yung parents ng isang unvaccinated child, no, ng flu virus was barred from school, and of course the state was sued for violating the equal protection laws of the Constitution there. Sabi ng Korte Suprema ng Amerika, the court found that compulsory vaccination falls within the police power of the state to regulate and to exercise. Another school of thought, of course, dito sa no vax, no ride policy, there is no law which allows government to impose a no vax, no ride policy. In other words, the DOTR has no legal standing to impose a no vax, no ride policy. No, public transportation is for the public, kaya nga public transportation ang tawag. And the vaccination of a person cannot and should not be used to have him inaccessible to public transportation. Doon sa Republic Act 11525 or the COVID-19 Vaccination Program Act of 2021, wala pong nakalagay doon na kailangan may vaccination card lahat ng vaccinated persons. And it is not a mandatory requirement for education, employment, and other government transactions. So, right now, kung susundan natin yung Republic Act 11525 or yung COVID vaccination law, wala pong nakalagay na kailangan mong ma-vaccinated or kailangan mong ma-vaccine upang ma-avail of education, ma-avail of transportation, or to transact with government. If you will expand this interpretation, hindi rin required na ipakita mo ang vaccination card pagpasok mo sa isang munisipyo na binabantayan ng pulis. Again, if you will expand this, hindi rin required na ipakita ang vaccination card kung pumasok ka sa mall, hotel, restaurant, etc. So ito yung mga prevailing schools of thought ngayon. Pero at the end of the day, ang bottom line is public health, public safety, and public welfare.